Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on captions on YouTube videos. So, to activate captions, you just need to open any YouTube video that you want. And after that, you have two choices to activate the captions. The first one is to click on the CC button at the top right of the screen, or another choice, or you have another option, is to click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen too. And after that, as you can see, the second option is captions. So click on captions. And after that, you have three options: to turn off captions, or to turn on auto-generated caption, or you can also activate the auto-translate or the automatic translate for the captions for the video. For example, I will activate English auto-generated, and as you will see, this is the captions on the video activated in the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next video.